Hi, Coach Josh Long here. So I'm going to be talking about developing an imagery script, okay? So according to Holmes and Collin, offered some guidance for making imagery more effective, and they call this the PETTLEP or PETLEP program, okay? So PETLEP, right? Because it emphasizes the following: the physical nature, the specifics of the environment, the type of task, the timing of the movement, learning the content of the learning, the emotion or the meaning behind meaning to the individual of the movement. Okay, obviously the emotion. The perspective of the person, okay, or persons of the internal or external. So the perspective, how you see it, the perspective. So today I'm going to be working with Tim, right?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Hi, Tim. Nice to meet you. Alright, so the skill we're going to be working with today is tennis swing. And we're using the forehand, or that specific swing for tennis. Alright? So I'm going to help you utilize or visualize the imagery to assist you with the skill of perfecting the forehand swing in tennis. Shut your eyes, close them.
Okay.
Yeah?
Got it.
I want you to be very relaxed. Slow your breathing. Concentrate on taking deep breaths in and out. You are wearing your high school varsity tennis uniform. Picture yourself on the tennis court. Open your eyes as I hand you the racket. Got it. Grip the racket with your right hand like you're shaking a friend's hand. Your feet are about shoulder width apart. Your knees and hips are bent. Not straight, but bent. And your torso is slightly bent forward. Okay?
I can see it.
Good. Visualize. So now take a step with your left foot in place in front of your right foot in the direction of your target. So the specifics of the environment. Okay, so imagine that. So remember, picture yourself on the tennis court at your high school. So that's very important. You remember that.
I can see it.
It is a warm, sunny day. It's neither too hot nor too cold. Your teammates are watching you about to play. You are standing right at the service line of the court, okay?
Got it.
Do you have this picture, this mental image in your head?
Yes.
Okay, great. So good. Let's continue, okay? The type of task, okay? So the type of task you'll be performing is called the forehand swing. It goes across your shoulder.
Okay.
In your mind, picture your ball hitting the middle of your racket and propelling over the net. And focus on exactly where you want the ball to land on your opponent's part of the court. Now picture yourself hitting the ball over the net and it landing exactly in that spot.
Got it.
Okay, so the timing of the movements are super critical. We will now go over the timing of the movements. For example, I would like you to use the same amount of time it actually takes you to perform the following movements in a match. Okay?
Okay.
Bounce the ball 3 times.
Alright. I see it in my mind.
And then hold the ball and get ready to hit it. Do not rush.
Okay.
Take a deep breath. These movements take approximately 5 seconds to complete. So picture these movements taking the same amount of time. Learning the content of the movement, okay? So I want you to notice the balance in your body and the stability of your stance.
Okay.
Feel your feet making contact with the court, okay?
Got it.
Now bounce the ball with your left hand.
Okay.
Next, pull the racket back with your right hand. Swing the racket forward to connect with the ball. Envision the ball hitting dead center in the middle of the racket. Use a smooth follow through to propel the ball forward with a great amount of force as the body pivots.
Okay. I can see that in my mind.
Your body pivots. Bend the knees and get ready for the opponent, the person you're playing against, to return the ball back to you. Okay, so now the emotion, meaning to the individual of the movement, okay? You as the tennis player will feel or may feel energized and envision yourself acing the ball.
Okay.
However, this may be followed by feelings of nervousness if you doubt your ball will make it over the net. Okay? Be positive. Can you do this? Or you can do this, I believe. Your emotions during the game are often directly related to how you are performing specifically on that specific day. Okay? So the perspective of the person, I want you to have the two perspectives of the internal inside and the external is the outside. You as the student athlete can personally internally visualize yourself executing the forehand swing and all your swings in tennis with success. In your mind, you can see the ball making contact with the middle or the center of the racket. Okay?
Okay.
You feel the racket vibrate as from the strings.
Okay.
Yeah. You can hear the ball whistle through the air as you see the ball fly over the net with the most precision and accuracy. The ball lands exactly where you want it to. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And you can effortlessly reach all your opponent's shots. The external perspective of your performance is seen in the eyes of your spectators, your teammates / your people that you go to school with, and the coaches. Okay, they cheer you on as you play to win. They witness you hit the ball with a great amount of skill. When the ball is hit or rallied back and forth, the crowd is silent. You end the game with a big service ace down the middle to win. The crowd erupts with cheers.
Oh, wow. That's a good picture in my mind. Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks, Coach.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you. I think you're going to do good tomorrow. All right. Thank you very much, class.